So in this video, we're going to be checking out the Jetboil burner system. Looks like it comes with a out of the box. So it looks like it's got the pan. So yeah, this is a 10-inch frying pan. Looks like a cover, pot cover. Set that there. Looks like it's got two things that kind of hold it closed. It's kind of nice. These rubber holders. So I'm just gonna thread on this fuel regulator onto the Jetboil burner. So it looks like this end is for the propane cylinder. So I'm gonna flip it around like that. They say you shouldn't connect the propane and have it inverted. It should always be on an upward angle. So we're just gonna thread this guy on. So now that we have it connected, we can turn up the burner. I'm gonna start this one over here. Kind of have to twist the knob a few times. There we go. So we got this pot. It's got some foldable handles that kind of pretty interesting design. So we're gonna be cooking some little smokies. Oh, it just melted my fork. Sweet. Got that all cooked up. Throw a couple hot dogs on there. Let those cook. Well, I'm gonna see how these taste. Dang, those are good. Never cooked a hot dog in a frying pan before. But I'm just gonna turn this thing off. Alrighty. The final product. Hey, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, just make sure you like the video and subscribe to see more videos. I can't tell you guys how much I appreciate you guys in liking and subscribing to the channel. And if there's something you want to see, just drop a comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video.